What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to teach you how to keep bare root fruit trees dormant for as long as possible after you receive them in the mail. Mail order nurseries are shipping their bare root fruit trees right now all across the country. In fact, I have already received most of my bare root fruit trees that I ordered last fall. But what do you do if you receive these fruit trees before you're ready to plant them? Maybe the weather's not right, maybe you just don't have time yet, or in my case, maybe your planting area just isn't ready yet. See, the problem is these deciduous trees are in a state of dormancy, and you do not want the buds beginning to swell and sap beginning to return before you plant the trees in ground. So if you receive your trees too early and you don't have an opportunity to plant them and they start budding or leafing out before you get them into the ground, you could have major problems on your hands. There are two things that take a tree out of dormancy: exposure to warm temperatures and exposure to light. So in order to keep our trees dormant for as long as possible, we need to keep them in a cool, dark area. Finding the darkest area should be pretty self-explanatory. You'll want to store your trees in a location that is as dark as possible. Now, when it comes to temperatures, ideally you want to keep your trees at refrigerator temperatures, somewhere around 40 degrees Fahrenheit. That will keep them in a state of dormancy for as long as possible, but it is very important that you don't store them below freezing. It has to be warmer than freezing, so generally a 40 to 50 degree Fahrenheit range is going to be your best bet. For many of you, your best bet will probably be your basement, provided it is dark and the temperatures are in the correct range. Here in the coastal southeast, our water table is too high, so we don't have basements. The best I can do is my relatively cold, dark garage. I received these bare root trees in the mail a week ago, and I've been storing them in the coldest, darkest corner of my garage in order to keep them dormant until I'm ready to plant them. And the way I've been keeping my garage cool is, on cold days, I've been opening the garage door during the day to let the cold air in, and on warm days, I've been keeping it shut so I don't let the warm air in, and it's worked very well. Using this method, I should be able to keep these from budding out for at least another week or two. However, be aware that these are dormant trees. They are still alive. So they will come wrapped with a little bit of soil in a bag to maintain moisture. They have to stay damp. If they dry out, they could die. By storing your dormant bare root trees in a location that is as cool and dark as possible while still making sure that the temperatures are above freezing and you don't let the roots dry out, you can maximize the amount of time you can store them before planting. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.